Looking to upgrade your vehicle in Western North Carolina? One of the smartest ways to save money on your next car is by maximizing your trade-in value. If you're driving around Asheville, Hendersonville, Arden, or Fletcher, your current vehicle could be worth more than you think, especially in today's market. Your trade-in isn't just a car, it's equity, and getting the most for it can significantly lower your monthly payment on your next vehicle. So, how do you maximize your trade-in value? First, make a strong first impression. Start with a deep clean. Wash and wax the exterior, vacuum the interior, and remove any personal items. A clean vehicle shows it's been cared for, and that can directly impact the offer you receive. You should also take care of small cosmetic issues like minor scratches, dents, or windshield chips. You don't need major repairs, but small fixes can go a long way in boosting value. Next, gather your maintenance records. A vehicle with documented service history is always worth more. Bring records for oil changes, brake work, tire rotations, and any repairs. This shows your car has been properly maintained and gives the dealership confidence in its condition. Also, make sure to bring everything that came with the vehicle. That includes extra keys, the owner's manual, and any original accessories. Now let's talk about something most people overlook: the local market. In Western North Carolina, vehicles like SUVs and trucks are in high demand. All-wheel drive, ground clearance, and safety features can all increase your trade-in value, especially with mountain driving conditions. Timing can also play a role. For example, AWD vehicles may be worth more heading into winter months. Another major advantage: trading in at a dealership. Instead of dealing with private buyers, test drives, and paperwork, a dealership makes the process fast and simple. Plus, in North Carolina, you only pay sales tax on the difference between your new vehicle and your trade-in. That tax savings alone can add significant value to your deal. So when you combine convenience, tax benefits, and a competitive market-based appraisal, it often makes more sense than selling privately. At the end of the day, maximizing your trade-in value comes down to preparation, presentation, and timing. With the right steps, you can unlock more value from your current vehicle and make your next upgrade more affordable than you expected. Bring your car in, get it appraised, and take the next step toward driving something better, right here in Western North Carolina.